Oh my goodness. I was so surprised at what a couple of subscribers have done that I just really wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to start off with this box right here. Then I've got a couple of other boxes to share with you guys. Now, I did open this a little bit, as you can see, but I don't know what's in it because once I opened it, I saw all this amazing black and white streamer confetti. Look at this, y'all. I love this stuff. And yes, I keep it. So what's in this box? Y'all know I need one of these, right? Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a microphone, so you all can stop saying you can't hear me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. I have taken just about everything out of this box, and there is no note. So I don't know who sent this microphone, but thank you so much. I hope you are watching. This is going to come in handy. This other box, whoa, it's kind of heavy too, y'all. I cracked it open a little bit. Now, it did have a note inside, but when I opened it up, just this part, this is what I saw. Look at this beautiful bag. And this, I don't know what's in here, but this is heavy. Look at this. Isn't this bag beautiful? Oh my goodness. Take it out of here. Oh my God, this is heavy. Let me set the box aside. Heavy. And the card says, enjoy your gift from Ivo Konarne. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look at this beautiful bowl. But wait, before we open this, I was opening the boxes, and when I saw this beautiful blue bag, I said, you know what? I'm not going any further. I definitely want to open this with you all. So I set it aside, and I reached for another box, and this is what I found. Another box with more blue. I don't have a clue. I'm going to assume it's from the same person because they came at the same time. They're both in these big, beautiful blue bags. And this one, I don't think there was a note in there. But let me double check. Oh my goodness. And this one's even heavier than that one. We're going to take them both out of these boxes first. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, let's see. Same person. It says the same thing. Enjoy your gift from Ivo Konarne. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me take this out of here. Wow. Look at these big, beautiful bags. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. As y'all say, open them up. Yes, I am. But when I saw they matched, then I really stopped. I said, nope, we are doing a video because this is amazing. Now I'm gonna sit this one down and I'm gonna open, I don't know which one to open first, but I'm gonna open this one first because this is the cardboard box that I opened first. I'm keeping these bags. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these bags, but oh my goodness, they are beautiful and I love the colors. Y'all know I love red, but y'all don't even know I love yellow is next. And look at these, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my God, it's a box in a box. In a box in a box, it's a box in a bag. Let me see, how do I get this? They got this thing really pulled tight here. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Okay, more tissue paper. This is amazing. And now, it's a plain box, so I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness, y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna need a box cutter. I thought I had one in here. So y'all hang on a minute. Let me go grab my box cutter. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this beautiful blue bag aside. This is amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, Ivo. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna use these bags. I'm gonna find one way or another to showcase these beautiful bags. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I am going to use them. Okay, now, let me go ahead and open this. Okay, let's see here. And I'm trying to get down right now. I'm trying to get right down to this. A lot of you all who have been with me for a long time, y'all know I like opening stuff slow and peeking. And I don't get to see nothing because it's styrofoam. Look at that, y'all. I still don't know. Okay, so there's styrofoam. There's little styrofoam and there's big styrofoam. And I don't know the bottom from the top, and you can't see anything. Let me see if I can pull the styrofoam out. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, that ain't happening. That's not happening. So, okay. All right, let me go down here. Okay. I'm just breaking into it at this particular point in time. There's a small piece of styrofoam at the top, so I'm going to open it up this way. Oh my God, this is heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Getting the tape off. Anybody want to guess what it is? Or y'all want me to just open it? Should I open it? Or should I have y'all guess? And tell me later. Okay, I'm sorry. Ooh, I opened it upside down. Oh my goodness. It's glass. Okay. I thought I had got all the tape. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh. This is amazing. Look, guys, this is a ceramic baking set. Oh my goodness. And look, I love already this little one. Look at that. Look at the bottom. This is amazing. Y'all know why I love this little one? Because lots of times I'm only cooking for 1 or 2. And I don't need a lot. This is amazing, Evo. Thank you so much. This is a 3-piece set. Oh my goodness. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. And this is the larger one. Oh my goodness. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. This is perfect. This is just perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side so we can open the next one. Okay, time to open this one. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of this. This is just amazing. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, I guess y'all say, open the package. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm coming. Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is yet. But it is a box that has something on the outside. I guess y'all say, turn it around. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, it looks like a platter. Okay, let's open it, okay? Let me open it. Okay, so it opens up this way. Okay. Oh, this way? I'm trying to figure out how to open it, y'all. I'm not messing around this time. It would help if I used the right side of the box cutter. I'm excited. Oh. Looks like another box in a box. See? Another box in a box. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This was in that box. Ah, we got more boxes to open. Yes. I'm trying to speed up, y'all. Let's see here. Let's see. I want to open it right. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all gonna make me cry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. First of all, it's upside down. So I won't damage anything. We're gonna keep it right side up. Got it right side up. Okay. Okay, now I cannot pronounce the name of this, but it says it dates back to 1621. OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's in a bag. It's in a bag. It's in a bag. I guess y'all say, do she love bags or what? Oh, wait. It's in 2 bags. My gosh. I am not messing around, y'all. This is amazing. Do you know what storage bags mean when you have all of these gadgets and these different appliances and things? They can keep your stuff good for like ever. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Okay, take off that. Take off that. This is the top. Look at that. This is the top. Ooh, y'all. Okay, sit that there. Here is a cloth for keeping it nice and purty. Yeah, I say purty. It is a walk. Yes. Oh my God, I don't have a walk. I do not own a walk. No, I did not own a walk. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Y'all know I gotta cook something in here now. Oh my goodness. A sponge for keeping it clean and the handle. Let's see if we can put the handle on. Okay, we're gonna move this. Oh, it even smells good, y'all. I'm serious. Oh my God. Make sure I wasn't under here. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Let me leave the manual out. Y'all know I'm gonna need the manual, right? Okay, I'm gonna sit this right on top here so that you all can see. And let me see if I can put this handle on. Oh, where did the handle go? Y'all lost the handle. Did I leave it in here? I didn't move. What did I do with the handle? Oh, maybe it's under here. Got it. Okay. Let's see if we can put the handle on. Okay, guys? This is amazing. Okay. I know I'm supposed to be probably reading some instructions, right? I don't know about that. Okay, so this is a long screw that goes in here like this. So that means it should screw in. That in there. See, I didn't need to read the manual, y'all. I'm smart. I'm smart. See, look at this, guys. Oh, thank you so much. Evo, thank you so much for this walk. This is amazing. And thank you so much for my dish set, my casserole dish set. That is amazing. Oh my goodness. And for whomever sent the microphone, thank you. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today on this special day. For my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. And for my channel members, thank you. Okay, I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, I said bye, but wait, I forgot. We didn't put the top on it. I didn't see it with the top on. OMG. Look at that. Now, look at that. Oh, it sits really good in there too. Now look at it. Oh my goodness. This is an amazing walk. Oh, I just needed y'all to see it with the top on. Come on now. Okay, now I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.